There's a reason why Foods Alive has the freshest, best tasting oils on the market. Look at our extremely low oil temperature as we press this organic seed. You're looking at one of our specialized oil presses from Germany, where they have decades of experience with engineering the lowest temperature presses on the market. We challenge our competitors to show their oil temperatures. To get the best tasting oil possible, we analyze numerous samples of seeds from organic farmers. We then press the lifeblood from the seed, the oil, and run various tests on it. The most important test is that it must taste light and fresh. If it doesn't, then the seed hasn't been grown in mineral-rich soil that contains zillions of microbes. We strive to bring you the freshest, best-tasting products that are minimally produced with the transparency that customers are looking for. Please check out our oil in our new 32-ounce amber glass bottles. Genuine as nature intended.